there, it's Ashley from WTI. I have a great hairspray here for you. This is the Got2b Flex Insta Hold. It is a flexible hairspray. It's fast drying, and what I really like about it is it doesn't leave my hair sticky or residue, like then when you touch it, you get like the white flakes. It doesn't do any of that. I really like the smell of this. It smells really clean and it's not overpowering. I also like the consistency of this. It's very light. So when I go to hairspray, I don't have like clumps of it kind of in one area. It's a overall very even layer of hairspray that comes out. And I just love all of the Got2b hair products, but this one is really a flexible hold, and that's what I was looking for. I don't like super harsh feeling to my hair. And so this is also really good for color. If you do have color in your hair, it's good for that. It's a lightweight feeling, and there are no parabens or sulfates in this as well. So if you are looking for a good hairspray that isn't going to leave your hair crunchy, then I highly recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.